The P0012 diagnostic trouble code indicates a specific timing problem in your engine. This code means the engine control module has detected that the intake camshaft timing on bank 1 is more retarded or delayed than the desired position. This cutaway view shows the cylinder head with intake and exhaust camshafts. The camshaft controls when the intake valves open and close. When timing is retarded, the camshaft rotates slower than it should relative to the crankshaft position. The variable valve timing system consists of 4 main components that work together to control camshaft timing. The camshaft position actuator physically moves the camshaft, while the oil control valve regulates oil pressure to the actuator. P0012 codes have 3 main categories of causes. Mechanical issues account for 60% of cases and include timing chain stretch, worn actuators, and clogged oil passages that prevent proper camshaft movement. Electrical problems cause 25% of P0012 codes. These include faulty camshaft position sensors and damaged wiring that prevent the engine control module from accurately controlling or monitoring camshaft timing. Oil-related issues cause the remaining 15% of cases. Low oil levels or incorrect oil viscosity can prevent the hydraulic VVT system from operating properly, leading to timing errors. The engine control module continuously monitors camshaft timing using position sensors. When the actual camshaft position differs from the expected position by more than the allowable tolerance, the ECM sets the P0012 code. Ignoring the P0112 code leads to immediate problems like rough idling and reduced fuel economy. More seriously, continued operation can cause accelerated engine wear and potentially catastrophic valve train damage, making early diagnosis and repair essential. Understanding P0012 is crucial for proper engine maintenance. This code indicates delayed camshaft timing detected by the engine control module through position sensors. With mechanical issues being the most common cause, prompt diagnosis and repair prevent costly engine damage and restore optimal performance. The first and most critical step in diagnosing P0012 is checking your engine oil. Low or dirty oil causes 60% of all P0012 codes and is the easiest problem to fix. Next, use an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0112 code and access real-time camshaft position data. Modern scanners provide precise timing information that helps pinpoint the exact problem. Inspect the variable valve timing system components. The oil control valve and camshaft position sensors are the most common failure points after oil-related issues. Test the oil control valve resistance and operation. A properly functioning OCV should have resistance between 6 and 12 ohms. Also verify that oil pressure to the VVT system meets the minimum 20 psi requirement. Repair options depend on your diagnosis results. Simple oil changes fix many cases, while sensor replacement handles electrical issues. More complex problems may require timing chain replacement or VVT actuator replacement. After completing repairs, monitor your vehicle for at least 50 miles. Watch for code recurrence and verify that fuel economy and engine performance have returned to normal. This verification period ensures the repair was successful. Remember the diagnostic sequence. Start with oil, use your scanner for confirmation, inspect components systematically, test electrical and hydraulic systems, choose appropriate repairs, and always verify your work. This methodical approach achieves a 95% success rate.